Irigaw, bahala na. Draws for your lead, Superior Arc running by the rail, Amanda. Then on the outside, Senor Bon, Tiger Rafi, all out by the rail is entry number 2, Magical Halo, California, and trailing the group is American Ruler. As they race towards the last 600, bahala na. By about 3 lengths, Senor Bon now catching the second spot. Superior Arc shuffle back in third. Amanda, then comes Tiger Happy. All out, Magical Halo, California, and American Ruler as they turn for home. Bahala na. Is still leading the field. Senor Bon remains in second. Superior Arc, Amanda, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Bahala na. By about 6 lengths, Senor Bon remains in second and Superior Arc. And finally, Racing Fans, bahala na. Wins the race over Senor Bon. Then comes number 1, Amanda. Superior Arc, Tiger Happy for your Pentapecta.